Is your business ready for the future of home services? Every missed call, text, or email could lead to you missing out on hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. It's important that you become well aware of your surroundings and get automations in place using AI so that you don't miss out on those dollars. You'll make your life easier while making your customers happier and your pocketbook thicker. I'm hoping today to help clarify a few things so that you can have the best foot forward into the future. Hey guys, my name is Ben and I own Blue Ladder, a window cleaning company out in McKinney, Texas. This is my third business. Now I'm in the process of growing and scaling my company to see how far I can go. Today we're going to talk about some of the best automations you can set up using a little bit of AI to make sure that you maximize your success. Step number one is online booking. In my opinion, you're missing out if you don't have it. I like to have it so that my customers can go online, get a price, or at least schedule an appointment for a quote. You want to make it as easy as possible for them to know that you're going to come to their house and make sure their questions are answered and their needs are taken care of. Jobber actually has online booking, and my favorite way of using Jobber's online booking tool is to schedule in-person consultations or quotes. This is actually really helpful for some of their other AI tools, but we'll save that for later. It's all about convenience for the customer. They need to get their price as soon as possible. And if they call and you don't answer, you're in trouble. They're gonna find somebody else who does. And for this, I use Jill's office. You can use any VA or an AI voice bot like Jobber has in order to help people get set with an appointment. The chances of actually closing a lead go down 80% after the first minute. So if you don't answer the call, the first ring, you might be out of luck. Now, one of the really cool hacks with Jobber is they have a voice AI assistant that is actually able to book appointments. Every other voice AI out there, they might promise the world, but kind of under-deliver, to be frank. And what sets Jobber apart is that it's actually integrated with their online booking system. I have it set up so that a customer could actually book an appointment for an in-person quote or consultation. Because of this, if they talk to the voice AI, they can actually schedule an appointment for me to come out and give them an in-person quote. Now, if you're a little bit afraid of AI, that's understandable. I was too. But remember, it's come a long way and it's actually pretty amazing right now. What I've been able to do is set up a little call screen through Number Barn so that when somebody calls my phone number, they're given the option to one, set up an appointment for an in-person consultation through the AI bot, or two, talk to a real human, in which case it goes to Jill's office. Then Jill's office is able to give them a bid and actually book the appointment, and it comes up into my calendar on Jobber. And that brings us to the follow-ups. You've got to automate follow-ups. If you're not doing that, there's no way you can manually follow up with every customer. It's just too much to do. But if you set up an automation, like you can in Jobber, the only limitation is your imagination and your ability for implementation. I have a follow-up that goes shortly after the appointment just to make sure they're happy. Another one that goes up a few days later to make sure they're aware of all of the different products and services that we offer. Then at the 11-week mark, they get a reminder saying that their coupon is about to expire, specifically for window cleaning customers because I offer quarterly discounts if they book every 3 months or less. Then if they haven't responded or booked their next appointment yet, they're gonna get another follow-up email almost on the dot every 3 months. Once we hit the 2-year marks, it goes down to about every 6 months or so. But the benefit of all this is I don't have to think about it one time. This is all on autopilot. Now, thanks to ChatGPT, you can actually create really great copy that sells very well and converts to paying customers and a full schedule. Now, I actually used ChatGPT and I said to act like Donald Miller and Dan Kennedy as inspiration and had ChatGPT generate a list of emails that ought to be automated, and then asked ChatGPT to help me create those emails so that I wouldn't annoy my customers and that I would have a really high rate of conversions. And bada boom, bada bing, just like that, I've got a full marketing calendar that ChatGPT put out for me in just a few moments. One other hack, automate your review follow-ups. Jobber makes it really easy, and I actually get about 20% of my customers to leave me a 5-star review. I don't even have to talk to them or remember to ask them for it, although that would be beneficial. But Jobber automatically sends the ask right after every appointment. As soon as they pay, they get a text prompting them, asking them for a review. And the great thing about this, if they've already left a review, it doesn't bug them. Another hack is just generating content. It's nice to be able to generate a marketing calendar and then have ChatGPT automatically create you a bunch of different posts that you can do. And you simply go through, copy and paste your favorite ones, Add a picture and you're good to go. You don't have to think very hard anymore. So there's no reason for you to fall behind. If you do, it's on you. It's never been easier to automate the experience that your customers get. And nowadays, if you're not using AI, you're gonna fall behind. But remember, AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. Whatever your voice is, it can make it louder. You're responsible for the overall vision and the leadership to get there. Use the tools that are available and get to work. There's never been a better time to get into business, and there's never been a better time to be successful. So let's turn up the heat and take things to the next level together. What are some of the automations that you're doing in your business, and how else are you using ChatGPT? I'm curious. Leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't already tried Jobber, what are you waiting for? Use my link in the description so that you can get 2 weeks for free and then 20% off for your first 6 months. And I'll see you in the next video.